loved that show. They did such an amazing job. It was really cool how they were talking about what they're doing here at Hershey Park in terms of, you know, conservation and everything. That was really, really a good time. Sea lions, they were just so adorable. They had the one big one that came out, Colby, and then the little baby that we were seeing in the beginning there, she's actually a little girl. Her name is Coco, and they said she was the first pup actually born here at Hershey, so they of course had to give her a very fitting chocolate name, so her name's Coco. I thought that was adorable. So now we're going to continue with the whole animal theme, and we're actually going to ZooAmerica. And what's really cool is that ZooAmerica is located across the street from Hershey Park, but you get, with your Hershey Park ticket, free admission also into ZooAmerica. And they have this really cool overpass over top of the road that you walk across to the zoo. It is really neat. Let me show you, right? We're coming up on it. Here it is. So yeah, such a good tip to know is that if you are coming here to Hershey Park, you also get free admission included with the price of your standard ticket into ZooAmerica. So you can see this is the overpass that's built over top of the roadway here, and we're going over to the zoo. I'm really excited. This is a cute zoo. I was here recently, like I came up in like the winter month one time, and that was probably like 3 years ago now that I had come here. At that point, I don't think Hershey Park was open because Hershey Park is more of a seasonal park. They shut down during the winter, kind of have like abbreviated days that they're open and doing different events. But the zoo here is pretty much open year round, I believe, which is really cool. So here we go. We just came across to the zoo. I love zoos. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. I love zoos so much. Okay, first thing, we're going into the Reptile House. Ooh, who is in here? Oh my gosh, look, they're like, not flamingos, what are these guys? Rose something? Spoonbills. Hi, baby. Hi there. Oh, look, he's like on the, oh, look, he's up in the tree. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh. Hi, sweetheart. You are so cute. Hello. This is, oh yeah, just the hanging garden. Because I said this enclosure does not have glass. It's just wide open. I said something would escape from here. Oh, who's in here? Oh, it's a snake. There he is. We have some little guys, little fishes. Little fishes. Oh, whoa, look at this guy. Oh my gosh, he's so cool. So this guy is an alligator snapping turtle. I never even knew that they existed. Look how cool he is. And over on this side they have the actual alligators, the American alligator. Oh, they're little ones. Hi, babies. They're cute. I love alligators so much. Hi, babies. Aw, are you sleepy? Yeah, hi. It's cool how this zoo is built, how you kind of go on these ramps and you're kind of elevated, and there's different levels kind of here to the zoo. It's really cool. It's very peaceful to walk around in here. I'm so excited because in September, Danny is coming up. It'll be his first time in Pennsylvania, and we have a long list of everything that we want to do, but we definitely keep talking about wanting to come here to Hershey Park and to also do the zoo. We had our very first date at a zoo, so zoos are kind of like our thing, and this one is very, very cute. Oh, look at the bald eagles. They're so cool. We have to go down there and see them. So I don't know what we're heading into next. This looks like it's the Great Southwest building. Oh, who's up there? There's armadillos. It's like I'm back in Texas. Look at them. Oh my goodness, I love them. I saw one run across in front of our car in Texas. They're so cool. Look at the birds. We said, look, there's a little bird on top of that camera up there. I love lizards. Oh my gosh. Look, there's like a little guy on top of the rock there. And then there's the big gecko guy.
Oh, he's looking at you. He was just looking.
Cool.
This guy's from Venom. Is that on purpose?
Oh, jeez. And so these are found in the South, like South America, right? Or no? Yeah. So yeah, all of these are the Southwest animals. So it's different guys that are all found in America. It's so cool. Who's in here? Oh my gosh, I love him.
The thing peeking
Oh,
out
look at him, and he has a view of seeing the park. Oh, I really love him. Look at him. This is his view. Alright, we're entering the desert in the darkness. Let's see what's in here. Oh, he's so beautiful. Look at the yawn. Oh my gosh. So cute. You're beautiful. Hi, baby. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard with all this dark lighting, but there's a snake right there, and it looks like a snake skin up on that rock there. He must have shed his skin. Looky at him. Wow, he's a big one. He's got like, oh yeah, I guess that's his rattle there. I was like, he's got like 2 tones.
I will now tell you what the best kind of snake is.
What's the best kind of snake, Dad?
A boot snake.
What's a boot snake?
A boot that's made out from snakeskin.
My dad does not like snakes at all. What's this little guy? Who is he?
It's a Cody.
A Cody. It is a Cody. What are you? Oh, he's cute. Oh, is he sleeping like that? Oh, hi, baby. Oh, I think he's having a sleep. Oh, you look fluffy. There is a ringtail lemur. Oh, look at him. Here he comes. You'll see him any moment now. He's like pacing back and forth. Let's see. Oh, here's one over here. She has 4 kittens. Hi. Hi, baby girl. Oh my gosh. Oh, come back here. I want to see you. Oh my goodness, that was so cute. So what, it's a mom and 4 pups?
I think so.
Oh, and their little ringtail. So where are they found? Because this is supposed to all be like the Southwest, the desert. So cool. We need to go see them. Look, look, look. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Oh. Jumping. Oh, he's going in this side. They have a little barn, which is where they have the barn owls. Oh, that's their eggs. Oh, there is. Look.
Hello, guys.
Eggs.
Oh my gosh, they're cute. Hey, guys. There's a couple up there. Oh my goodness, look at these bobcats. They're so cute. Oh, they're being lazy.
See him up there?
You see them? There's 2 bobcats. Look at the size of their paws. My goodness. Oh, they're sleepy. We're coming up on the otter exhibit. I love otters so much. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Do you see them in there?
Otter, yeah.
Oh.
What is it? It's an otter. It's swimming.
Oh, there he is.
Swimming.
It's swimming. Yeah, I can swim, but not in this
All right, come on, boys and girls.
How cute. Oh my gosh, look at his face. We're here inside. Look, you can see the monorail also goes over top of the zoo, which is really cool. I definitely want to do the monorail later. Look at these vultures. This is actually the bear exhibit. You can kind of see the bears all the way down by the fence. We're going to get a better view of them here once we get ourselves, I think, down on the other viewing path. They're doing like a demonstration of their, oh, I thought that was a real bird. It's a carving. Oh gosh.
Okay, let's go to the right.
Well,
To the right, Kim.
Yeah, there's a real big butterfly right in the middle of all the geese down there. Hi, geese. Was this part of the original chocolate factory?
Yes.
This building? Yes, I thought so.
It's the silos where they had the beans up top.
So cool.
The train track. There used to be train tracks right
Yeah.
on the top of that green right there would be train tracks. This
So
building's there now.
We're coming up on the Prairie Dog exhibit. This is, I think, the zoo where my love of prairie dogs began. I just think they are so adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, those guys look little down there. Oh, look at them running. Oh. Ooh. He says, I bite your foot. Oh, look at him, sassy. Sassy. He's like, pay attention to me. Pay attention. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. You see, I just adore these guys. Look how cute they are. Look, I love how they stand up. Little babies. Oh, he's a baby. He looks tiny, tiny. Yeah, that guy is determined to. That little baby. He might be saying, pay attention to me.
Unless it's a baby.
Ooh, oh. Be nice to each other. Stretch. Look at that stretch.
That's funny.
This is why they are just so amazing. I could watch prairie dogs all day long. This is hysterical. Look at them. I've never seen them sprawl out like that. There's these guys down this way. Yeah, look at them all. This guy's standing up. Oh my goodness. Do you want to go around that way with him? Hi guys. Oh, you're so cute. Look, those two are chasing each other down there. Posing. Oh, hi, sweetie. You posing for me? You're so pretty. That's so pretty. Aww. This guy's digging in his hole. You'll see the dirt fly up every couple seconds. Oh, I love this little guy. Look. Hi, baby. You eating your grass? Look at these elk. They are so big. Look at them. Also, are those houses up there? Like, how cool would that be if that was your house? I would love that house with a view down to the zoo.
There's one way in the corner.
Oh, hi, sweetheart. I'll go through.
Liana.
Hi, baby. Look at you. So cute.
Come on, let's find them.
We have some owls in here. You can see there's one right there and one right there. This is such a cute little zoo. Yeah, I'm really excited to bring Danny here. And here they have, you can feed the duckies. I love how they just like, it's like their workout. They just kick, 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 and like go against the current. Yeah. Oh my goodness, these bald eagles are beautiful. Look at them. Oh, you guys are pretty. They have porcupines here. Look at them.
Now we're going to see other dogs.
Like waddle.
Porcupines. Look at
So
them.
cute until it stings it with one of its quills.
There's one right here. Do you see?
Oh, I see.
And it's
Oh, right.
hiding there.
Yeah.
And the other guy's walking around here. Alright, traveling time! Your favorite ride? My favorite ride! It's my favorite ride! And it came back open just for you. Just as we were walking back through. Okay, so this roller coaster right here is the Storm Runner. You have to see this thing take off. This is insane.